How you like it?
I like it.
Oh, yeah. And there's our buddy.
High school is soon. I remember those days. When I used to go to high school.